Hello there, everyone. Welcome to this podcast show. I'm Martin, your host. I hope everyone is doing well. Today's episode will assist you in locating the best phone screen repair service. Smartphone users, regardless of which brand they use, frequently experience issues with their device's screen. It could be a cracked or shattered screen, a screen that is unresponsive, spots on the screen, and so on. We all know that a damaged or cracked screen makes it difficult for users to do any tasks on the device. If your device's screen has been accidentally damaged or you're having problems with it, you should seek out a reputable and competent repair provider. I recommend iTech Xpress, a reputable device repair shop known for providing high-quality repairs at a reasonable price. They have technicians that have been trained and have extensive experience with mobile devices. iTech Xpress maintains its own inventory of authentic gadget parts, which allows them to provide speedy repairs. Not only that, but they also offer specific warranties on the restored equipment and services. Visit Xpress.com for more information. You can reach them by dialing 626-777-4747. I hope you found this episode helpful and that you will contact iTech Xpress if you have any gadget troubles. That'll do it for today. I'll be right back. Until then, stay tuned for the next installment.